If you are experiencing a lack of sound from your Realtek digital output, there are a few steps we can take to resolve this. First, begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab. On the left-hand side list, select Sound. In the right pane, you can choose your desired sound output device. After confirming your output is correctly set, test if the sound is now working. If the issue persists, return to the System tab. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Then choose Other Troubleshooters. Locate the audio troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it. This troubleshooter can often identify and fix common audio problems automatically. Should the sound still be absent after running the troubleshooter, the next step is to search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Within Device Manager, expand the section for audio inputs and outputs. Here you will find your audio devices. Right-click on your Realtek audio device and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for and install the latest available driver. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.